Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to Electro Pixels. Today, we have a 43-inch VU Smart Android LED TV on our workbench for repair. The model number is 43PM. And the customer complaint is a blinking red standby light. When the TV is powered on, the red indicator flashes for a few seconds, and then the television goes back into standby mode. In many VU LED TVs, this symptom is commonly caused by a backlight protection fault. If the TV detects a problem in the LED backlight circuit, it automatically shuts down to protect the panel and power supply section. To diagnose the issue, I carefully removed the panel and the front frame. Inside this TV, there are 3 LED backlight strips. During testing, I found that the middle LED strip was not functioning properly. After checking each LED individually, I discovered that one of the LEDs had become short-circuited, causing the entire backlight system to fail. Instead of replacing only the faulty LED, I decided to replace all 3 LED strips to ensure long-term reliability and prevent the problem from returning in the future. Each LED used in these strips is rated at 3 volts. After installing the new backlight strips and reassembling the TV, I powered it on for testing. As you can see, the TV is now working perfectly with normal brightness and a clear picture. I hope you found this repair video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to Electro Pixels for more LED TV repair tutorials, troubleshooting tips, and electronics repair videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.